As a part of modernization techniques case, we have discussed field symbols. Next one is macros, includes. We have discussed includes. Now the remaining topics is subroutines and function modules case. Function modules. Okay. Very important concept guys. Very important concept. Subroutines and function modules. Subroutines and function modules. First we will discuss about the subroutines guys. Subroutines. First we will discuss about subroutines. Later we will discuss about the function modules. Okay. Very easy concept. Let me try to put in a very simple way to make you understand guys. Okay. Next topic is subroutines. Subroutines. See guys, subroutines means for every perform means we have to write perform like this case. Perform name. For every perform there should be one form guys. For every perform there should be form name. Whatever the name you are giving here, it is the name case. For every perform we have to give name case. For every perform you need to have a form guys. You need to have a form and it has to be end form. FORM. End form. Here we will be writing the code guys. Here this part is the coding part. This is the coding part. In our last class, what we did, Nana? We have written 3 includes. Include jet declaration. Include fetching logic means select statements. Select STMTS. Next one is include combining logic. Next one is include display logic. Like this. We have written include, Nana. We have written includes. Now what I am saying is I will write in the perform. See, I will write like this. Perform fetch logic. Perform fetching logic. Next one is perform combining logic. Like this. Perform. The system got struck. See. Perform fetching logic. Perform combine logic. Like this. Means for every name, Nana, we have to write form. For every perform we have to write form after this. See? Form fetching logic. See, same name guys. You have to give the same name. Means for every perform we have to give the end form. Here we will write the logic. Inside this form we will be writing the logic. Means this is also reusable, Nana. If it is a fetching logic, if I double click here, it will take you to here. Combine logic. See, perform combine logic. Here also, form. End form. See, this is some combining logic. Like this. You understood? See, first let me show you one basic program, guys. SC38 jet test. Subroutines, some demo. Okay. Click on create. Execute. Save. See here what I will do is perform or I will say data x type integer, I'll say y type integer, z type integer. I'm taking three values case, or I'll do one thing. I'll make it dynamic case. Let me make it dynamic. Okay, parameter x type integer, y type integer, like this. Okay, see, we have x and we have y. These are dynamics, guys. These are dynamic, and z is data z. Now what I will say is z is equals to x plus y, x plus y, nana, x plus y. Now write statement z. See, this is our old logic, nana. This is our old logic. See parameters. This one, this. For example, this is my calculation logic. This is my printing logic. If I click on this, see, 10 comma 15, I will get the output as 25. I am getting output as 25. Now what I want to do is, see, this calculation is there. Now here I will write like this: perform calc, full stop, perform calc. Double click on this calc, go here, double click, see, give your main program, guys. Always select your main program, click on OK. Now whatever the logic is there here, now I'll copy here and I'll paste it here, guys. Inside this I'll paste it. Now this is printing logic. Now printing logic, copy, see, perform print. No need to give either y or z, guys. Print logic. Double click on this print logic. See, click on S. See, select your main program, guys, master program. Click on OK. See, write this one. See, guys. Now which one is easy to read, Nana? Which one is easy to read? See, you will get output and all same. See, 10 and 15. Output will look like same only. See, 10 and 15. 10 and 15. Like this. See, all the calculation logic. See, all the calculation logic will be here and printing logic here. If you want any doubts, if I double click on this, it will go here. Go back. If I double click on this print logic, it will go here, guys. It will go here. Subroutines are clear, everyone? See, subroutines are clear, everyone? Means for every subroutine, if I don't write this form, see, if I don't, for every perform you need to have form, guys. See, if you don't write form, it will throw error message, guys. See, perform does not exist, form does not exist. So you have to write, guys. For every perform you need to write followed by form, guys. You need to followed by form. Guys, first basic concept is clear. If it is clear, I will go forward, guys. I will go forward. Hello?
Can you repeat it again?
Which one? See, I told you, right? What is modularization techniques? Generally, in the first class, I told you the basics. Like, see, modularization technique will not improve your performance. Okay, nothing. Whatever the existing code is there, we are going to structure it in a proper way, which is easy to read, which will be easy to read and easy to access, and reusable also. See, here I have not done anything. I have just written a normal code and I have divided in a easy to read. See, this is calculation part, this is a printing part. I have divided like this. So if anyone comes, for example, you have written a program. For example, Saurya came to edit your program. It should be easy to read now. For example, he has any doubts in the calculation logic, he will double click here. He will just double click here. It will go to here.
That is fine.
Yeah.
See, that is fine. But see, in the other way, when I look, it is not only one calculation which I perform. Right? I use multiple calculations.
One second, wait. I want to show you one real-time example. Then only you will understand. See. See, this is fetching logic. See, this is fetching logic now. This is my performs. This I have discussed in our morning batch. Okay, this class I have discussed in our morning class. See, see the logic will be this much, Rana. The logic is so much of logic is there in the background. But see, if I want to do any fetching logic means select statements. If I double click on this, it will go to this select statements. All the select
Mhm.
statements. If I go back, if I click on combine logic, this is my combining logic. If I go to my layouts, it will go to my layout like this. Like this means we are going to use like this. We are going to use like this. Means easy to read. See,
Just simplify.
without this perform also we can write the program. But which one is easier? Which one is easier?
Yeah, this is for readability perspective, and it's like something like functions in C. What you're using?
Functions? What is that functions?
That is what, like, like you're calling the function and you're performing the operation and then you're printing it, right? The same thing is what I see here.
Same thing. See, it's not a function. See, it's not a function. This is not a function. It's a perform.
Okay.
It's a perform. See, for this perform, no, you have to give any name. You can give any name. Whatever the code you want to write inside this, you have to write inside this form. Inside this form. It's a single line or a multiple line or n number of lines. Anything is fine.
Okay. So
Okay.
it should be part of this particular report itself, right?
Existing
All,
logic. Yes. Existing logic only. Yes.
okay, that's a prerequisite here. Okay,
Yeah. Existing logic only. Okay.
fine.
Anyone, any doubts? Okay. See guys, let me give you one more demo, guys. Let me give you one more demo. Subroutines demo 1. I'll say demo 2. Subroutines demo 2. See, click on create. From here, please listen carefully, guys. From here, please listen carefully. Just subroutines. See here, what I will say is we have data. We have data x. See, we have data x type integer. X type integer. Now x is equals to 10. I am putting x is equals to 10. Now write x is equal. Now write. What will be the output? What will be the output, guys? What will be the output?
10.
Very good. See, 10. Now same logic. Now same logic. I will write with the help of perform. Guys, see here. Perform. Calic. For this perform what I told, Nana. For this perform what I told, you have to write. You have to write subroutine form. See this one. Now you see this x is there now. This x I will write it here. This x I will write it here. Okay, x I have written here. Now what will be the answer, guys? What will be the output now? What will be the output now? Anyone in the class?
10 only.
10 only. Very good. See 10 only. See 10. Okay. Now here what I will do is here I will declare one more variable. Type integer y. Type integer y, Nana. Inside this form I have declared data y type I. Now I am writing like this. Y is equals to x. Can I write outside this form, Nana? See, outside this calculate. Can I give y here? Can I give y here? Y. Is it possible? Yes or no?
No, no, because it is outside. It should be outside, right? Because
Yeah.
you're
Yes.
printing
See, the
X.
memory allocation. The memory allocation will be inside only. The memory allocation will be inside only. See, what I am doing is I have declared like this now. See, let me put like this. Let me put x is equals to 10. Here I have declared y is equals to y type integer. Now y is equals to x. Now what is the value we have in y, guys?
10.
10. Okay. Now what I will do is y is equals to 10 plus, see, x plus 10. Y is equals to x plus, oh, wait. Now what I will do is x is equals to x plus 10. What will be my answer for the x now? Remove this y here. Remove this y here.
20. It should be 20.
Okay, see 20. Correct? See, now my intention is, guys, now my intention is, this is called global parameters, which the values which you have declared outside of this perform. The values which you have declared outside. This x is a global parameters. Okay, the form, inside the form you have declared, no, inside this form, these are called local. Means this visibility will be, means what we say, the life of this y will be inside this form only, inside of this form only. Okay, don't get confused, guys. See, this x memory will be available inside this form also. Inside this form also the x life will be there, life. But y's life will be inside this form only. Once it comes outside this form, no. Once if you come outside this form, the life of y won't be there, guys. The life of y won't be there. Are we clear with this concept? Everyone? Anyone? Any doubts? Okay. Now what I am doing is, what I am going to do is, from here I am going to pass like this, guys, using x. Means I am passing, I can pass values also, guys. I can pass values also. See, now let me comment this. Let me delete all this. See, double click on this form. Okay, click on OK. See, guys. This using I am getting like this. Means from here I am passing x, guys. From here I am passing x. Okay. Here it can be the same x. Means I am passing field and memory also, guys. Field and memory also. Here I will put value, guys. Here I will put value. Means I am passing only value, guys. Now here what is the value of x, Nana? 10. I am passing 10, guys. Here what will be the value of px, p underscore x? What is the value of p underscore x? Anyone in the class?
It should be 10 only.
10 only, very good. Now write underscore p underscore x here. See, now write underscore p underscore x. Here the 10 has to print. After this again here x is getting printed. Now what should be my output, guys? 10 comma 10. Now you will get 10 comma 10. Correct? 10 comma 10 I am getting. Now what I am doing is, see, this p underscore x I am getting from here. No, here what I will do, p underscore x is equals to 50. I am changing, I am hard coding to 50 now. I am hard coding to 50. Correct? See, from here I am passing 10. Now here I am hard coding to 50. What will be the value of here, guys? What is the value of p underscore x here?
Is it 1050?
Okay. What is the value of x here? What will be the value of x here?
10.
Very good. Excellent, guys. Excellent. See 50 and 10 now. 50 and 10. Very good. I am very happy, guys. Guys, everyone in the class, you are clear with this? See, why it is becoming 10, guys? Because here I am passing as pass by value. Now what I will do is, let me comment this. I am removing this value, guys. I am removing this value. See, this is called pass by value, guys. Pass by value. Now can you please say me what is the value of now x and y in this example? Now can anyone say me? See, now I am passing x memory, Nana. Now I am passing x memory. What is the value we have in x memory?
10.
10. So this px also will have, this p underscore x also will have what, Nana? The p underscore x will
10.
have what?
10
X
only.
memory.
10.
X memory means 10 value. Now p underscore x, how much we are doing? We are hard coding to 50. Then automatically what will be the value of p underscore x?
50 and then 10. 50 and 10 will be printed.
Okay, what is the value of x?
10.
Is
50.
that answer is correct for everyone? Everyone is okay with the answer? 50 and 10?
No, sir, it will be 50, I guess. X.
X is 50. Excellent, Surya. Yeah, it is 50-50. Because this is passed by reference, Nana. Passed by reference. See, very good, Surya. See, I told you, pass by reference. I told you the address of this. I am passing address, Nana. I am passing the address. I am passing address of X. In the field symbols, in the field symbol, please replicate the concept of field symbols, which we have discussed in our previous class. See, pass by value means we are changing the only the value. See, even you are changing to 50, the original value is 10 only. But in the pass by reference, what you are doing, you are changing it to pass by reference as 50. P underscore x is equals to 50. The original value also is getting changed to 10 to 50. No, 10 to 50. Hope the concept is clear for everyone. Pass by value and pass by reference.
Yes.
Gavya, clear? Girls?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Yeah, good. Now I can use different guys. I can use, you can use changing also. I can use changing. Instead of using, I can use changing. See, here also I can use changing guys. Changing. You can use changing, import, export, all this. See, the concept is same only guys. The concept is same only. 10, 50. If I pass value, see, if I pass value, the value will be same only guys. The value will be 10. Same concept. Pass by value and pass by reference. Pass by value and see. When it is using changing guys, see, when you are using this will work like pass by value. If you give by pass by value, see value. But if you give changing, the word keyword called changing, Nana, changing. See, if you put value or if you don't put value, it will work like pass by reference only. See, I am removing this x here. Okay, let me you don't get confused. Using. Okay, this is pass by reference. Let me take one more thing. This is pass by reference only. Yeah. See, now I am using changing, Nana. I am using changing. See, I am using changing, Nana. The word, please understand the word, Nana. Changing. I am using changing, Nana. Changing. See, perform, calic, changing x, p underscore x. See, p underscore x is equals to 50. This one. Previously we are using. Now I am using changing, Nana. See, activate, execute. See, 50 and 15. Now if I use it value here, pass by value, if I try to convert to value here, will my x will be remain same as 10?
10 and 15.
Yeah, see, but still, because see here I am using changing, Nana, it will work like pass by reference only. See, 50 and 50, pass by reference only. You understand the meaning of this keyword, Nana? Keyword, using. See, using pass by value, using pass by reference. But here changing, I am giving as changing, Nana. I am giving as changing. Clear, everyone? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, if you are using changing, it will be passed by reference only in all the cases. Don't get confused. Okay, now let me give you one more example, guys. Let me give you one more example. Here what I will do, here I will write parameters x, x type integer, y type integer, data z type integer. See here, perform calic cx using x comma y comma changing z, guys. See here I am writing like this, perform x comma y comma z. If I double click on this, okay, one second. See guys, here I'll change it to pass by value here. Value comma pass by value. This is pass by value, Nana. pass by value. Now what I will do is p underscore z is equals to p underscore x plus p underscore y. Now what is the value of x and y, Nana? Anyone in the class? X comma y comma z. What is the value of x? Means you see here I am using, guys, I am using x comma y and changing as z. See, this is pass by value, and this is reference case. The x I am passing as, see, x I am passing, see, 10 comma 15 guys. What is the value of x? What is the value of y? What is the value of z? See guys, 10
Should be 25.
25.
10, 15,
10, 15, 20.
Clear? This concept is clear, Nana? This is subroutines, Nana. Please understand this concept. When the time comes, I will apply all these concepts, guys. In the reports, I just showed you the report, no? I just showed you the report. I just showed you one report now, which live report, SE38. In the live class, I have showed you. Okay, what is this report? See, we are going whenever it is required, guys. See, whenever it is required, I'm going to use this one, guys. This perform logics. See, here I am using guys. Using. See, I am passing two parameters. See, guys, two parameters. See, whenever the time comes, guys, I will apply that concept. Before that, make sure the concepts are basic concepts, guys. Make sure your basic concepts are clear. Okay. Now my next requirement, guys. See, this is called. See, these subroutines are of two types, guys. These subroutines are of two types. Subroutines are of two types. One is internal subroutine, one is external subroutine, guys. Internal and external subroutine, guys. What is the difference between internal and external subroutine is? What is the difference between internal and external subroutine means? Internal means both perform and form are in same program. Nana. See here, this is an internal subroutine. See, perform is here, form also is here. This is called internal subroutine, Nana. You see, in the same program, guys. In the same program, I am writing perform. For this form, I am writing form, guys. Now, external subroutine means perform will be in one program, form will be in another program, guys. See, perform will be in one program, form will be in second program, guys, in different program. We will call, guys, let me show you that demo, guys. Let me show you that demo also for you. SE38 demo number 3, guys. Demo number 3. Click on create. External subroutine demo. Concept is same only, guys. No need to worry. I will just help you out. See, guys, here I will say parameters p type integer, q type integer, r type integer. Okay, I will say data r type integer. See, now what I will say perform. I will say calculate. See, I will say calculate. Here, okay, using p comma q comma changing r, guys, changing r. Up to here it's fine, guys. In internal subroutine, what we did, Nana, we have double clicked here, click on create, and we clicked on perform. But here in the external subroutine, we have to write the program name, guys. Test form demo means where you are going to write the counterpart. Where you are going to write the counterpart means for every perform, I told you form should be there. See, I am going to write form in this program. In this program, I am going to write, guys. In this program, if you double click here, a program will get created. See, program will get created. See, here you have to write now. Here you have to write it here. See, I can write it here. Form. See, calc. See, using value p underscore x. value p underscore y. Okay, changing, no space, changing z, p underscore z. P underscore z is equals to p underscore x plus p underscore y. See, end form. See, completed now. See, this is a different program, altogether a different program. This is altogether a different program. See, from here, CAL, form name, guys. Okay, double click. Let me comment CAL. Give the same name, Nana. Same name. This is called external subroutine, Nana. See, perform is here in this program. Form is there here, guys. Form is here. See, now let me write. Concept is same only. P, Q, and what you say, pass by value, pass by reference, everything is same only, guys. See, I am passing 10, 20. Now answer will become 30, guys. 10, 20, and 30. See, it will call, guys, from here. See, if I put a breakpoint, execute 15, 20, execute. See, guys, from here it is calling, guys. It is calling this program. It is going inside this program, guys. Inside this it is going this. See, x, y, and z, guys. Z, if you see, calculate, see, z is here. If you go back again, it will come to your original program, guys. Performs any doubts, guys? Anyone, any doubts in this performs subroutines? Are we clear with the subroutines? Very important concept in our everyday life, guys. Going forward, after 1 week, guys, every day we will be using these subroutines, guys. After 1 week. Concept is clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
See, guys, let me brief you. Subroutines, guys. In the subroutines, every perform will be having a form, guys. The means above performs. If you have declared the values before perform, those are called global parameters, guys. If you have declared inside the form, the visibility will be within the form only, guys. The visibility will be between the form. Okay, that is one concept. Next one is, in the subroutines we have two types of subroutines, guys. Internal subroutines and external subroutines. Internal means both perform and form will be in one program. External subroutine means perform will be in one program, form, the counterpart form will be in another program, guys. That will be in another program. That is the concept. Okay, let me move forward, guys. The concept is clear, guys. Everyone is clear? Any doubts? Can I move forward?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Next one is function modules, guys. Next one is a function modules. Function modules, guys. Function modules. See, function module is also same, guys. Function module is also same. See, for example, this is one program. In this program, I have some piece of code, guys. I have one calculation part. This calculation part also I will declare as a function module, guys. Whenever I want, I'll just call this one and I'll execute. Inside this function module, whatever the block of code is there, that will be here, guys. That will be here. In this, I will be replacing it as a function module. See, let me brief you. Let me give you one more example. For example, Karthik is writing one program, guys. In this program, he came across one complex logic. Of 500 lines, guys. Of 500 lines. He came with one complex calculation. I'll say complex calculation of 500 lines. 500 lines, one complex logic. Tax calculation. For example, tax calculation. He has written one logic of 500 lines related to tax calculation. Now in the same report, he want to use the same logic by changing the values, Same logic, same 500 lines of logic, but here what will change is input will change. Input will change. Here, for example, I am passing input as 1 lakh. Input as 1 lakh, no, input as 1 lakh. In the down, no, here I am passing, here I want to do calculation of 30%. For 1 lakh, I am doing calculation of 30% of logic. Here I want to do 25,000, but calculation is 20%. See, logic and all is same, guys. Logic and all is same. But what is changing? My input parameters are getting changed. Correct? Here it is 10,000 and tax calculation is 30%. Here my input is 25,000. My tax calculation is 20%. So, see, he want to use one more time also. Here also he want to use. See, 500. Total how much, Nana? 1500 lines. The logic has been increased to 1500. So cleverly, Karthik, what he did, he created one function module. Nana. He created one second, I got struck. Okay. See, now what I am saying is, he created one function module, guys. This is one function module. In this function module, what he did, he kept all the 500 lines, guys. He wrote all this core logic in this function module. Now what he is doing is, whenever he wants this code, he is just calling this by passing this input parameters. He is just calling this function module wherever he is required. See, he is calling this by passing these values. Now how much code will be reduced? How much is the reusability? Guys, clear what I am trying to say? Guys, clear? Hello? Okay. Guys, you want me to take up this concept in tomorrow's class, or you want me to continue? Hello?
You can continue.
Everyone, guys, please
Can continue.
please give me some response, guys. Guys, if you do,
How it's
you have to ask me. See, if you ask me only, I will understand, guys. Okay. If you keep quiet, I will go to next concept, guys. Okay. It will go forward. Okay. See, function module means, see, here I have a block of code which I have 1500 lines. I am going to reuse, means same code. I am copy pasting the same code, guys. Same code. Here I am using it. Here I am using it. But what is changing is, here input parameters are getting changed, but logic is same only, guys. So what I am doing is, I am creating a function module. Whenever I require this code, I am just calling that function module. That particular function module. Okay, that will reduce my coding. And this function module can be used by your teammate also. One more teammate will be there. He can use wherever this calculation is required. He can call this function module. Means you are putting in one place, so that everyone can access whenever they want. No, everyone can access this function module. This block of code. See, for example, what I want to say is, see, function module is nothing but, see, function module. This is how to create a function module, guys. The T code is SC37. Function module. For every function module, we have to create SC80, guys. SC80. We have to create a function group. Means every function group. See, this is a function group, Nana. This is a function group. In one function group, we can have 99 function modules. In every function group, we can have 99 function modules, guys. We can create. This is a function group. Don't get confused. This is a function group. These are the function modules. In one function group, we can create a 99 function modules. 99 function modules. See, first let me write one code for you. let me write one sample code for you guys. Let me write one sample code for you. SC38 JTest function module demo. Already exists. 1 second. Okay, I have already written with the same code. Let me write it this function module demo. See, click on create guys. Click on create. Demo on function module. Function module. Okay, click on executable program. Save. Execute. See guys, here what I am doing is I'll write the same calculation logic guys. I'll write the same calculation logic to make you understand the concept very clearly guys. To make you understand concept very clearly. See. See, I'll say parameter p type integer, y type integer. Okay, data z type integer. Now z is equals to p plus q. Guys. Now write statement. Right statement is z guys. See, this is my calculation logic guys. For example, this calculation logic is having 200 lines. For example, 200 lines. Here before I'll just park this one. This is my logic guys. This is my logic. See, let me execute. I'll pass some value. Okay, I'll pass some values. 10 and 20. Execute. See, 30 guys. 10 and 20. See, 10, 20, and I am getting answer as 30. Okay, up to here it's clear. Now let me take you one more example guys. One example, small example. See here we have Saurya, and we have Rahul guys. We have Rahul. Okay, this is Rahul's house. This is Saurya. This is Rahul. Okay, this is Rahul. Okay, please understand the concept clearly guys. Now what happened is for Dashra or some Sankrant, some Holi guys. For example, we will take a Holi. On the Holi, Saurya is sending some sweets guys. Saurya is sending some sweets to Rahul's family. Okay, now what will happen, Nana? Saurya is exporting. See, sending. Saurya is sending. Now the same sweet box, Nana, same sweet box in the Rahul's family, it will become what, Nana? He is sending. For him it will become what? Hello.
Receiving.
Okay, for him it will be receiving. Now Rahul is sending as a return gift guys. Return gift. Now he is sending some return gift. This is some return gift guys. For Rahul this will become what, Nana? For Rahul it will become what?
Sending.
Guys, if you give me some response only, I can go forward guys. Okay, please. You see, with a lot of interest I am saying, okay, with a lot of interest I am teaching. Okay, don't lose my interest. Okay, please give me some response. Okay, this is sending, Nana. See, I am sending. The moment when it reach here, what is the word will become here?
It will be receiving, right?
Receiving. Yes. Okay. In the same way, can I change the words to export?
Yes.
Can I change receiving the word to import?
Yes.
Here also can I do the same? Export. It is becoming as import. Don't get confused, Nana. Don't get confused. This is Saurya's house. This is Rahul's house. The moment when I am sending, See, when I am exporting some speed box, when I am exporting the speed box, the word is export, but the item is same. The moment when it reaches to Rahul's house, will the speed box will change or it will remain same? Speed box will be same now,
Same.
but the word will change to import. Clear? Are we clear with this concept?
Yes.
Okay. Now please, no, don't get confused. Come with the same mind. See, come with the same mind. So hold on here only, guys. I am going here, guys. I am going here. Where is my, yeah, this is my program, Nana. This is my program. Here what I am doing is, let me calculate. This is my basic logic, Nana. I am passing 10 and 15, guys. I am passing 10 and 15. See, 30. Now what I am doing is, instead of this logic, I want to create a function module. I want to do this calculation in a function module, guys. To a function module, what we have to do is go to SC37. The transaction code to create a function module is SC37, guys. The T code to create a function module is SC37, guys. See, jet test, calculate addition, something, give some function module, guys. Jet test, calculate addition, click on create. See, function module, click on create. You will get a pop-up like this, guys. Function module. Here what is the name you are seeing, guys? Function group. I told you, right? In a function module will be stored inside a function group, guys. In a function group, how many function modules can we have? Function group. Modules can we have? See, guys, clear? In one group, Nana, in one group of function group. See, in one group of function module, in one group of function group, we can have 99 function modules, guys. 99 function modules we can have. Important interview question, guys. Okay. See, now we want function group is nothing, guys. See, let me go to SC80. Guys. SC80. The transaction code is SC80 to create a function group. See, here instead of program, you select a function group, guys. See, function group. You will find a drop down function group. Here you give some, one second. What happened? One second, guys. System is behaving differently. Function group. Okay, select function group. Okay, function group. Now I will say jet test arithmetic operations. Some name. I am just giving some group name, guys. One group name. Click on enter. Do you want to create? Yes, I want to create. Yes. Give some name, guys. Arithmetic operations. Click on save. See, activate, guys. Just activate. That's it, guys. I have created one function group. See, this is my function group, Nana. You copy this group. You give it here, guys. That's it. Function group is that's it. Okay. Now you say add logic. Add CLC calc. Add logic. Added now. See, you will get a warning message. No problem. You can click on OK. See, guys. See, this is your function module, guys. See, in the function module, are you able to see import and export? Import and export. Are you able to see import and export, Nana?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, in the import, what I am doing, Nana, from this program, see, from this program, I want to send P and Q, Nana, P and Q. I want to return Z. So here what I will say, in the Z is, my returning value is I, guys. My returning value is I. I want to return, guys, Z. Import value is what, Nana? I will say P type integer. So Q type integer, Nana. Q type integer. See, P. My import values, Nana. My import values P and Q. My import values P and Q. My export value is Z, Nana. My export value is Z. Now go to source code. Now you write the logic. Z is equals to P plus Q. See, P plus Q, guys. This is my logic. See, here in the export means I am sending out, Nana. I am sending out. See, in the export I am sending out, Nana. Import means I am getting in from outside. The value of P and the value of Q I am getting from outside, guys. Means import. Means based on my input, see. Based on my input, in the source code I have written the logic, guys. In the source code I have written the logic. Z is equals to P plus Q. Z is equals to P plus Q, guys. Activate. See, Z is equals to P plus Q, now. Z is equals to P plus Q. Are we clear up to here, everyone? Now the beauty is, guys, copy this function module. Now you see, guys. Go to your program. Now. Remove this one. Now put a cursor here. Go to patterns. You give your function module name, Nana. You just give your function module name. Click on enter. Did you find any difference here? See, here it is exporting, Nana. Here it is exporting. P comma Q value are exporting. Here it is exporting. Here it will become what, Nana? Import. See, same values, Nana. See, here it is exporting. Means I am sending outside. I am sending P comma Q. Don't get confused. I told you, understand the same concept. Rahul and Saurya's house. From Saurya's house I am exporting, Nana. I am exporting P value and Q value. Okay, now we have received here. Now here is P value and Q value. Now in the Rahul's house I am calculating the Z value. From Rahul's house as a return gift. As a gift I am exporting, guys. I am exporting. Here that will become, here it is becoming import. Import is equals to Z. Are we clear with this import and export? Anyone, any doubts? Hello, 10 value and 20 value. I am passing 10 and 25. See, answer is same only, guys, 35. Let me put a breakpoint here. See 10. See, P value and Q value. See, I am passing, guys. See, the P value is this one. See, P, Q, okay, Z value. See, Z value is nothing. Okay, after this calculation, see, let me go to desktop 3. See, 10 value, P value is 10, Q value is this one, Z value is this one. Now I am exporting this from this function module. I am exporting to Z. Exporting, there it is exporting, here it is importing, guys. Now I am printing this. The names can be also different, guys. See, here I will give X and Y. Here I will give X. Here I will give Y, guys. Here I will give Y. Here I will give Y. Here I will pass X. Here I will pass Y. The names can be different, Nana. Names also can be different. For example, Saurya is sending mango, guys. Saurya is sending mango. Okay. In the Rahul house, They will speak only Hindi, guys. They don't know English. So what they call the mango in Hindi, the word can also be different, guys. The word also can be, they can call it as mango. Mango, what we call in Hindi, Nana? Aam. Aam. Okay, you understood? Here it is mango. Here it is mango. Here it is aam. Aam. You understood? The name. See, here it is x, Nana. Here the value of here it is x. One second. Here it is x, but still I am passing the value to p. It will handle, guys. It will handle. Guys, the concept is clear, everyone. Lakshmi Narayana, Gavya.
I need some practice on this.
No, practice and all fine. Practice and all fine. Concept is clear. Are we clear with the concept?
Somewhat understood.
Sorry.
Somewhat understood.
Somewhat understood. Okay. But it's very easy now. Sorry, I understood for you.
Yes, sir.
Karthik, Narayana.
Yes, sir.
The call function is that logic where you are calling and you are importing those parameters in and out, right?
Yes, this is the one. Yes, this is the one.
Okay.
See, if you
So
understand
this
this, see Narayana, if you understand this, this is known as BAPI. This is known as BAPI.
Okay, correct. That's a subroutine, right?
Yeah, every function module is nothing but a BAPI. You take any
Okay.
BAPI, your standard BAPI. You are saying now BAPI. See, if you understand the function, if you understand BAPI, see anything, get details. This is also a function module. See, import. See, we are importing some values.
Okay.
We are exporting some values. See how many values we are exporting. This is source code. This is source code.
Okay. What all parameters are something in and
The
out?
only, see, you need to understand the basic concept. What I am importing, what I am exporting. If you understand this small concept, guys, trust me, this is the last class for your basics, guys. This is the last class for your basics. If you have any doubts till here, please clarify, guys. Please clarify with your friends. You can speak with among you. You have your WhatsApp numbers. You can discuss with among you, guys. Okay. And if you are still facing any issues, you come to me. Okay. If you have understood till here, the ABAP journey is going to be very easy, guys. Very easy. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to start. See, tomorrow we have class, guys. Tomorrow we have a class. From tomorrow we are going to start debugging. Okay, our real ABAP is going to start from tomorrow, guys. See, till now we have discussed only basics. Only basics. From tomorrow our journey is going to start, guys. Are we clear, everyone? See,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
what is the difference between function module and perform then? It is doing the same thing.
Same thing. See, same thing only. Same thing. But see here, in the perform, what I told, the code, we have two types of performs, right? We have two types of performs. One is internal subroutine, one is external subroutine. Correct? One is internal subroutine, one is external subroutine. If, for example, Rahul is writing internal subroutine, when you write internal subroutine, the other person cannot reuse. Correct? It will be written in the same program only. No other person. For example, Rahul has written the program, but you want to use that code, you can't reuse. But whereas in the function module, everyone can reuse. But if Rahul has created the external subroutine, we can reuse. We can call that function module and we can call that perform and we can use. For example, this is Hyderabad, this is Bangalore, guys. You want to travel from Hyderabad to Bangalore. You have bike and you have car. If I ask you in which you will travel, means you want to reach from Hyderabad to Bangalore, guys. Some people will be comfortable with the bike, some people will be comfortable with car, or some people will be comfortable with the bus, some people will be comfortable with this one, train and bus. See, I told you many concepts. See, I told you include also doing same, perform also doing same, function module also doing same. Will you accept with this? Include also doing same only, no? Include also doing same. Same logic we are writing inside, same doing. We can reuse. It's all developer choice. Which technique you are going to use? It's up to you. Which one you are going to use? So your concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Perform. Okay. We have different type of things. Based on the concept we are going to use. Some people will be comfortable in include, some people will be comfortable with perform, some people will be function modules. See, generally I will be comfortable with this one, guys. Mainly I will be using this in my whole programs. I will be using perform. See, in the previous class also I discussed perform only. I can use function module also. I can use this one also. Includes anything is fine. Okay. Yeah, clear, guys. I'll break class for today. Guys, we have discussed some important topics, guys. We have discussed the select statements, we have discussed the loops, we have discussed the read statements, and we have discussed arithmetic operations, we have discussed the string operations, we have discussed do operations. Okay, all this one we have discussed performs, forms, we have discussed includes, we have discussed function modules, we have discussed field symbols, guys. We have discussed field symbols. See, whenever it is required, guys, whenever it is required, that concept, I will directly go on teach this concept, guys. See, till now we have discussed basics. Now we are going to use all these basics. Now we are going to use all these basics in our real time, guys. If you understand this concept still here, the ABAP journey is going to be very easy for you guys. Very easy. Okay, but I will teach you when we have to use which topic. See, I have discussed individually, guys. Individually I have discussed. Now based on the now I will explain you the requirement. See, now I want select statement. I will say I'm going to use select statement. If I want to use loop statement, now I will say I am going to use loop statement. But if I say I want to use loop statement, you have to understand the concept of loop statement. If I am saying the select statement, you have to understand the concept of select statement, like this. Okay, like this we are going to develop our programs, guys. Like this, for example, you see today's program, guys. Today's program. See, today I have discussed one big program for the previous batch. They have given a good response. See, this is one program. Before your class, I have discussed this program. See. This one I discussed now. Select options. Parameters I have discussed with you, guys. Okay, see, same types, guys. Types. This one I have discussed. See, types I have discussed. See, work areas, guys. I have discussed work areas. This is internal tables. See, this is work areas and this is internal tables. And this is performs, guys. See, performs. Subroutines. See, inside this basic select statements, basic select statements. See, select statements, all select statements. If I go to this combining logic, see, loop statement and read statement. See, loop statement and read statement. That's it. And here you see in the display logic, see, guys, display logic. See, call function. I am using a function. I am passing some values, guys. I am passing some values. See, I am passing some values. I am passing the values. That's it. See, if you see this field catalogs, see, guys, field catalogs, pass by value, guys. This is pass by value. See, same, same. Like this, we are going to reuse what are the basics concepts. Now we are going to reuse to develop a bigger program. Okay, fine, guys. I'll break class for today. Tomorrow we have class, guys. Tomorrow we have a class. tomorrow's class is very important. I am going to discuss debugging, guys. I am going to discuss debugging. Why I stopped debugging till today's date is because of this modularization techniques, guys. Because of this modularization techniques. This modulation technique will give you a big impact in debugging, guys. If you understand this one, then debugging will be very easier. Okay, no problem. I will make you comfortable, guys. I will make you very comfortable in the debugging. No issue. Just understand these concepts and come to tomorrow's class, guys. Tomorrow class is very important. We will discuss debugging. Yeah, fine, guys. If you have any doubts, you can be on the class. You can be on the line, or you can feel free to drop off, guys. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow same time. Bye, everyone.